Hello, and welcome to our BAWonline.com website walkthrough. In this video, I will be giving you a brief walkthrough on how to navigate our website. We'll be going deeper in the explanation on some of these topics in future videos, but for now, let's get started on how to find an item that you're looking for. Okay, so say I'm looking for a tri-blend t-shirt. You'd simply hover over to the adult tab and go down to tri-blend. You click on tri-blend, and here you can see all our tri-blend products. If you scroll down, you'll find our tri-blend t-shirt, which is going to be our TR72. From here you can go ahead and click on go to details, and on this page you can find any information you need on the product you're looking for. For instance, if you look to the right of the image, you will see the material of the shirt and a brief description. If you click on technology, you'll be able to see the technology used in this item. If you click on fit, you will be able to see whether the item is a fitted, semi-fitted, or relaxed fit item. If you click on size and spec and then click on the orange box, you'll be able to see the exact measurements of all the sizes, so you can most accurately select which size is best for you or your customer. Now, let's move on to how to place an order. To place an order, you'd simply scroll down until you see these boxes here. Keep in mind, if you're not registered with us or you're not signed in, you will not be able to see these boxes. Once you are here, you can simply type in the amount that you would want in each size and color. For instance, say I need 5 cardinal smalls, 8 dark green large, and 10 purple 2X. I'll just go ahead and type that in, and then once I'm done, I would go ahead and click on add to cart. And then you can see up here the items have been added to my cart. The grayed out boxes simply mean that we are out of stock on that item at the moment, and we do not have a current estimated date of arrival. The calendar, however, if you hover over it, it'll show you when we are expecting to receive the item and how many pieces we are expecting to receive. Now, let's go through how to place an order. After you have added the items to your cart, you would simply scroll up to the top and click on shopping cart. From here, you can adjust the quantities if needed. You can do so by clicking on the box and adjusting whatever quantities need to be adjusted. So for instance, say your customer changed their mind and they only wanted 11 of the purple large. Then as well, you can also delete items. So say they didn't want the dark green large anymore, you would just go ahead and click on the remove. And then once you're all done, you'd go ahead and click on update shopping cart. And it should update. Once you've made sure that all your sizes and quantities are correct, you can go ahead and scroll down to get an estimate shipping. You just put in your country, state, and zip code, and then click on estimate shipping. Then you would scroll down and it should give you an estimate on how much the shipping should be. Keep in mind, if you are placing an order online and it is over $250, we do offer free ground shipping. Afterwards, you can go ahead and click on agree terms of services and go ahead and check out. From here, make sure that the billing address, shipping address, and payment method is all correct. You can also go ahead and add a PO number if you would like. From here, you can go ahead and click on place order, and you should get a order confirmation number. You'll also be receiving an email. Now that you know how to place an order, let's go through what you can do under your My Account section. To get there, simply scroll to the top and click on your username. Here, you will find various details about your account which you can go ahead and edit. For instance, say you want to add a new address to your account. Simply click on the Address tab, click on Add New, and you would simply fill out all the information needed and click on Save. You can also check your previous and pending orders on the Orders tab. Right now, you can see the order we just placed, and it is pending. If you click on the Change Password tab, it gives you the option to change your password. All you would need to do is type in your old password, your new password, and then go ahead and confirm the new password. If you don't know your old password, feel free to give us a call at 800-493-3745 and we'd be more than happy to help you. You can also go ahead and go to the credit card section, and under this you can go ahead and add a new credit card. Just fill out all the information needed and click on OK. This concludes the general website tutorial. If you have any further questions on how to navigate our website or any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, or you can always call us at 800-493-3745.